I'm Michael Mazzoli, torque specialist for GEARWRENCH, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to identify, set, and calibrate our preset torque wrenches. Some quick features about our preset torque wrenches include our matte chrome finish, our ergonomic grip handle, and slim neck design. Some primary applications where you'll find our preset torque wrenches would be in the production, manufacturing, and assembly environments where an end user is performing the same torque requirement multiple times throughout their shift. So the first step in calibrating a preset torque wrench is to verify its current calibration state. So using a GEARWRENCH benchtop torque tester, which I've already set to 40 Newton meters, we're going to verify the accuracy of this torque wrench. Using a downward movement to apply force, we're going to verify. Do a second verification. So we've got some adjustments to make. The first thing we'll do is remove our protective covering from the handle, exposing our tamper-proof Torx bit, and we'll make some adjustments. After our adjustment, we'll put it back on the bench tester and verify accuracy. So now that we've calibrated our torque wrench and verified that it's within our ANSI 4% plus or minus requirement, we can go ahead, replace our protective covering, take our pencil and mark our torque wrench with our 40 Newton meters to go out to the plant.